The cooking method of stir fry is short. Cabbage is not easy to tasty. How to make cabbage more delicious? Today we will deal with the ingredients before cooking. Welcome back to JemmaCooking. Separated green leaves and rajol. Divided into 2 pieces from the middle with a kitchen knife. Destroy the protected film, and at the same time the leaves become thinner. The taste is easy to enter the inside. If you like a thick taste, you can beat it with a kitchen knife. While maintaining the taste, it will also add flavor. Stir-fry flower pepper, chili, green onion and garlic. So vinegar and the rich leaves of flower pepper, chicken soups and a strong aroma to the soup base. Stir frying keeps the moisture of the vegetables. If you have any questions, leave a message in the comment. Please try and tag me. Follow my channel to watch a video at the first time. See you soon!